Guys, you know when your iOS device starts acting up, like your iPhone or even your MacBook just start acting up all of a sudden, and you start running from one technician to the other just to get it fixed, and it will take some days. If eventually it's being fixed, it will come with data loss and the rest, and sometimes you might not even get to system or your device again. This is very annoying, and you and I can relate to this. But what if I tell you that there is a permanent solution to this? Now, let me introduce you to ReiBoot by Tenorshare. Yes, you might ask, what is ReiBoot? ReiBoot is a powerful tool designed to tackle over 150 iOS problems, starting from entering to existing recovery mode with just a single click, to fixing DFU mode issues, downgrading iOS versions, and even resolving annoying iTunes errors, all without any data loss. If you want to get the ReiBoot tools, simply click on the link in my description box below and it will take you to this your website. Get in here, click on free download, and once it's done downloading, you'll see this Tenorshare ReiBoot logo either on your desktop or your launchpad. Once you launch it, it will bring you to this interface, and here, this is where all the magic happens. You can simply upgrade your iOS or downgrade your iOS and various options. So let's say I want to upgrade from iOS 17 to 18. All I need to do is to connect my phone to my PC and make sure that I have a strong internet connection as well, and click on upgrade, and it will do that automatically. And also, if I want to downgrade back to iOS 17 or so, I can come here and select the downgrade option and click on downgrade. Once I do that, it will downgrade it back to iOS 17. Amazingly, ReiBoot can solve issues right from iPhone SE to the recent iPhone 16. Is that not amazing? The best part? You don't need to be a tech savvy to use this. Its user-friendly interface makes it accessible for anyone. So, join the 85 million satisfied users who have taken control of their iOS device without the hassle of visiting any repair shop. Next time, if your phone acts up, take it slow. Just download the ReiBoot for free by clicking on the link in the description box below and let it do all the heavy lifting quietly, reliably, and smoothly. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe for more. Till next time, bye and bye.